Put your toys back in the bin. Are you trying to play with all your toys at once? Your mama can help. There you go. You want to put the lid on? Good job. And put some more blocks in. Good job. And then put the lid on. You're going to put the lid back on? Good job. Yay. Then take the lid off. Good job. Put some blocks in. Oh, and then the lid back on. Oh, upside down. Good idea. And take some blocks out. And back in. Oops, missed. Okay. Is it time for a nap? Yeah, looks like it. Okay. Let's go.